So, uh, this is chapter 18, homework starter, number two. This is question two. And it says to classify each of the following costs as either variable, fixed, or mixed. Costs are from a manufacturer of portable basketball hoops. All right, so we're going to classify each of these costs as either variable, mixed, or fixed. So number one says a factory supervisor salary, $4,000 per month. So no matter how many basketball hoops are produced, we still have to pay the supervisor. So that's going to be fixed. All right. Number two says utilities, $50 per month plus 0.05 cents per unit produced. So utilities, $50 per month plus 5 cents per unit produced. Sorry, 0.05. Yeah, that's 5 cents uh, per unit produced. So there's a fixed part of this, which is $50 per month. Every month, $50 needs to be paid. However, if for every unit produced, they also need to pay 5 cents. So this is going to be considered a mixed cost. All right. Assembly worker hourly wages. So the assembly worker hourly wages is going to be a variable cost because it's going to depend on how many portable basketball hoops are produced. So number three is variable. Number four, factory equipment depreciation, $2,000 per month. No matter how much we produce per accounting rules, we're going to depreciate that equipment every month, $2,000. So that's a fixed cost. So number four is fixed. Number five, salesperson pay $2,000 per month plus 5% of dollar sales. So this is going to be mixed because you're giving them a fixed payment of $2,000 per month, plus they get a variable portion, which is 5% of dollar sales. So that makes it a mixed cost strategy. Factory insurance, $1,500 per month. Doesn't matter how many hoops are produced, you still have to pay that $1,500 per month. That's a fixed cost. So number six is fixed. Number seven, screws to assemble hoops. So the number of screws you need will directly correlate to the number of hoops produced. So that's going to be a variable cost. So number seven is variable. Number eight, factory rent, $3,000 per month. So no matter how many hoops are produced, rent still has to be paid. So that $3,000 per month is considered fixed. So number eight is fixed. Number nine, metal for the rims of the hoops. So you will need the number of metals for the number of hoops that you produce. So that's going to be a variable cost. So number nine is variable. Number 10, glass for the backboards of the hoops. So again, depending on the number of hoops you produce, that'll determine how many backboards you need. So that's going to be variable cost as well. So number 10 is variable. Number 11, office salaries, $3,000 per month. So no matter how many hoops are produced, you still have to pay these office salaries. So that's going to be considered a fixed cost. So number 11 is fixed. And number 12, plastic for hoop bases. So depending on how many hoops you produce, that'll determine how many number of plastic for the hoop bases you need. So that's going to be a variable cost. So again, number one is fixed. Number two is mixed. Number three is variable. Number four is fixed. Number five is mixed. Number six is fixed. Number seven is variable. Number eight is fixed. Number nine is variable. Number 10 is variable. Number 11 is fixed. And number 12 is variable. And that's how you answer this question.